That's the $20 one, right?
Well, he didn't suffer.
It's the first one, man.
Oh my god.
They don't even want to bring it back.
Oh Jesus, there's meat everywhere. Oh my god.
Let's just leave this one. What shot was I using?
Jesus Christ.
It wasn't that close, right?
Oh. $20 is gonna fly away from Connor.
Oh, dang it.
Why did that happen?
I don't know, man. It was just a really good shot. I was a little too close, maybe?
A little bit. Want to put him in your pack?
No.
Pick him up on the way back.
We'll get him on the way back. Oh, gosh dang it.
How much you look? It's alright. Throw the ball. Hey. Here, stop. Here. God, I kept messing up there.
Want me to carry him?
Yeah. Alright. Let's go this way. We'll come in.
Good job, Duke.
Shoot him in the head?
I think partly. Get freaking brains coming out of his head.
Oh.
Do you want this one, John?
Yes, I get a good shot.
Yeah, go ahead. Saw you.
Ho! 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 Oh. Ah, good bird. Where's that bird? Oh. 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 I got him.
Tagged him.
Yeah.
Oh, he's going far.
He is for being hit.
He's going. He's flying home to the barn.
Look at him. Look at Duke pointing. Oh, Hardy, Hardy. Oh. 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 Yeah, bird.
It is now.
Hey. Duke. Oh, Duke. Oh. Oh.
Got him.
that one up.
Oh my God. Oh, low one today.
That was almost as bad as mine.
The last one I did was low too. I got on his back, so he's okay.
Yeah. They're just not getting very high off the ground.
No, it's fine.
Nice.
Cool.
Good.
I hit him in the back.
Yeah.
So low.
Back, protect all that meat. Do you know how to discombobulate him? Oh.
Yeah. Just put him to sleep. just put them in circles like this. Okay. No, get your arms going like this. Okay. Yeah, and then go put them in the bushes.
Beautiful. Training Duke. Get him, Duke, get him! Good boy, Duke. Good boy, Duke. Thanks. Deborah, Duke.
That was a perfect shot for you. Oh.
Yeah, right in front.
Yeah, you like just kind of, you could take your time.
Yeah, I was waiting. Didn't want to repeat.
Come on.